will shotgun him from there. Oh, I'm dead. You're looking like a fat GG.
No! I had no dash.
Alright, let me see the scoreboard, bro.
Oh, you almost. You are so close to dead.
To the max.
Yeet.
Ah!
For science. I don't know how long I can keep gnawing hunger on without getting bored.
Yeah, nice close quarters with me not having special, idiot.
Sounds like you problem.
I mean, that is one way. If you want to practice movement, just go like Gaffin 4 and say, okay, only the outside area. Shotguns only, so you have to get close by just using movement and dodge the other shotguns.
So you can use it. Just have a hard time getting interested in playing.
I'm still popping off a shotgun, let's go.
And melting people.
I don't have a shotgun. I have a clue though.
What? My melee whipped. Fucking Telesto, man.
Where's my shotgun? Oh, in this character. Come on. Thank you.
What the fuck?
I'm currently getting
Fucking dickhead.
done a fighting line build.
Jesus Christ, man, that is...
Pretty funny. You heard of face it? Yeah. Why don't I play it? It's not worth my time. Anti-barrier and breach. They work in Crucible. The synergize, they help your game cooldown. Yo, what up, Fox?
No, no cooldown.
Hello, Cam. Played on console before, so were you still booty clapping before? Yeah, I wasn't bad at console. It's not like I was, like I became a god on PC. All I had to do was just learn how to do it on mouse and
Oh
keyboard.
fuck.
Demolitionist truth teller.
Guys ready to get PvE'd?
I think so. I'm playing 6v6 right now. It's pretty obvious.
No.
Have you tested truth teller? Yeah, we made a video where it basically turns it into a mountaintop.
Come to me, bro. Come at me, bro.
Lots of one taps.
Okay.
What up, Psycho? What's going on, Progressive? What up, Lenacho? What do you think the best way is for this lot? I don't know.
Is it unfair?
Wish I knew we're charged.
Put on your fucking shotgun.
Okay.
Because people don't die to one shot, bro. I don't know why.
Okay, I'm dead.
Kinda sucks. Like Monarch, one shot.
Are you sword peeking?
I had ammo.
Yeah. I had sword ammo. Even fuck off. Loud when I have sword ammo.
How? Nothing about radar? What?
I was crouching.
He's a hunter, Backtracks.
Right. Okay.
I thought that was Stink.
How did that miss?
What? My screen is showed like you finished me twice. You shotgun shot twice.
Also, another good thing to practice is after a shotgun shot to dash. No, Dicko, you're not gonna get me.
No, my dash was on cooldown.
I need to stop
Oh,
using
this is perfect
Celestial.
map for the grenades, man. Like, this is perfect.
Your
Like, you see
moments
that?
of clarity
That's perfect.
are weapons.
Oh! Man, you would have been so fucking dead, dickhead.
But I'm not, am I?
Oh no. Everybody's
Suck it,
constantly
nerd.
holding hands and it's perfect. There's so many of them to tag.
Dude, I cannot use Fellwinchers.
Blame the
I
shotgun.
don't like it. No, literally, I don't like it.
That's possible.
Why did you mangle, you idiot?
There was no nade.
Blame the shotgun.
Yeah.
Oh, why is he playing this
Okay, map me.
Shotgun.
Are you ADSing, Dink, or no?
laggy player?
I have full choke. I have to.
No, you don't have to.
No, but if I want the best possible range.
He was really crouching in the hole.
Oh, you fuck you! You have the elemental charge.
What does that have to do with that kill? It was still the shotgun that killed you.
You regen heal faster and stuff like that. It's unfair.
I'm actually trying to